Hey everyone, welcome to eCraft Box. I'm sure you'll love today's tutorial as it can be used in multiple ways, can be made in different shapes and can be decorated in different ways, and it's fun and easy to make. So before we get started, make sure to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you'll get all the notifications. To make this multi-purpose pouch, take a thin sheet of cardboard and fold it into half and cut it carefully. You may also use a sheet of cardboard from the cereal box. The measurement of the cardboard sheet I am using is 20 cm by 25 cm. We need two pieces of the cardboard. One is used as the pouch and the second one is used as the lid. Now fold it in such a way that you get 1 cm excess on the side. Same way we need 1 cm excess on the bottom as well. Cut only the upper flap and don't disturb the lower flap. This is how we need it. Now cut a triangle on the corner and fold it and make a crease. Apply the glue. This will be used as the lid and seal it. Now let it dry. For the second part, we need a slightly smaller cardboard sheet. I have cut around 3/4 centimeters, that is 8 mm on one side, and we'll be following the same procedure. Make sure to cut only 3/4 centimeter on one side of the cardboard, because if you change the measurement, you might not get a tight lid. Same procedure is to be followed. Crease and add glue. Fold and let it dry. Now both the pockets are ready. You can see that it can be easily inserted. You should be able to slide in and out smoothly. Now it's time to decorate. I am using artificial flowers and leaves to decorate. I have added the link below where you can find all these artificial flowers and leaves. You may use whatever you have at your home for decoration, like washi tape or gift wrap paper or ribbons, buttons, lace, or anything you have at your home. The beauty of this pouch is that you can make this using handmade paper or moundboard paper or a thick paper which is around 200 GSM. And one more thing is that you can change the shape of this pouch. If you want a longer pouch, you can cut the cardboard lengthwise. If you want a smaller pouch, you can take a small sheet of cardboard and decorate it in any way you wish. These are some of the pouches I have prepared. You may see that I have used ribbons and decorative paper for this one, and I have made this one using handmade paper. This I have cut lengthwise. Now if you wish to put a small thing inside it, you just have to push the lid all the way down and make it compact. If you want to extend, just pull it up. It really carries really small things, tiny things like beads, and seals well. You store your bangles and push the lid in, down, and make it compact. And if you want to store something or carry something larger, push the lid halfway down and easily carry it. You can label these pouches and store jewelry or stationery or craft items or anything you wish, or use it as a gift pack. So I hope you liked this week's video. Like, share and subscribe. See you next week.